and welcome back to Play Acoustic. Today I'm gonna show you how to play No Woman No Cry by Bob Marley, and it will be very easy lesson for you because of this song uses only 5 chords, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to play from chords to strum. And now let's get started. Okay, first of all I'm gonna show you which chords we will use, and first chord is C. Okay, and the second chord is G. Third one is A minor, and the fourth one is F. Okay, in the beginning of the video I told that we will use the 5 chords. It was a wrong information. We will just need only 4 chords for this song. Okay, and then it's gonna start with like this. Okay, 3rd fret of A, sorry, E, 3rd fret of E, and then open A, and 2nd fret of A, and 3rd fret of A again, all together. It's like a G. Okay, just one more time. A little bit faster. Okay, and then go to C. Okay, once again. And G. And E minor. And like this. Okay, in the E minor part, and then F, and go back to C. Now in the 3rd fret of D and 2nd fret of D, and open, and then C. Okay, like this. 3rd fret of D and 2nd fret D, open D, and 3rd fret of A, but you can strum the C. And so you can also play like this. with D and G. Together. And go back to first part. Okay then, all together from scratch. Okay, and now the strumming. Strumming is also, it's so easy. It's down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. 4 times down and the 1 time up. It's like this. Down, 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 down. Okay. The only in the difference between E minor and F, and when you go to E minor like this, okay, 3 times down and mute, and go to F. Okay, again. One more time and the last time. Okay, now you are able to play No Hum No Cry by Bob Marley, and hope you will like this video. And please, after watching this video, don't forget to click the like button, and please write a comment about my video. And also please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and every week I will organize a new lesson related to acoustic guitar version of songs. So hope you will enjoy it, and thank you for watching this video, and take care of yourself, buddy. See you.